In the autumn of 1785, it was at this place on the Kiowa River, under a great tree known as the Treaty Oak, where the first treaty between the Cherokees and the United States was signed. Hopewell was a plantation owned by Andrew Pickens, a general in the Revolutionary War, who had been appointed to act as Indian agent to the Cherokees following the war. Many Cherokees had fought against the Americans in the Revolution, and the Treaty of Hopewell was meant to establish peace between the two nations. Approximately 1,000 Cherokees traveled to this site to discuss the provisions of the treaty with Pickens and the other agents. This included 37 peace and war chiefs, representing independent Cherokee towns. Corntassel, the Cherokee chief known as a great orator, led many of the negotiations. Nanyehi, or Nancy Ward, also gave a speech in which she encouraged mutual friendship between the newly formed U.S. and the Cherokee Nation. On November 28th, the terms of the treaty were agreed upon, and the Treaty of Hopewell was signed. It determined the boundaries of the Cherokee territory after the Cherokees ceded nearly 1 million acres in North Carolina, Kentucky, and Tennessee. The treaty also provided the right for the Cherokees to send a representative to Congress. It acknowledged that if any non-Indian person attempted to settle on Cherokee lands, the Cherokee Nation could punish them, or not, as they please. Over the next few months, the United States would also sign treaties with the Choctaw and Chickasaw nations at Hopewell. Each of the 3 treaties ended with the phrase, "The hatchet shall be forever buried, and the peace given by the United States and friendship reestablished." The Treaty of Hopewell was the first of nearly 40 treaties to be signed between the U.S. and the Cherokee Nation. It was also the first to be broken when just a few months later, American citizens led by John Sevier began attacking Cherokee towns in an attempt to take Cherokee land in eastern Tennessee.